Oh yeah, man, Jack Frost, you really came through this motherfucker. Look at the mess he left. All that white stuff, man, all over the motherfucking place. Oh yeah, man, it's crazy y'all been giving you a shout out. How you doing, everybody? Boy, gang, y'all. I won't be doing this shit long. My motherfucking head's school. I'm motherfucking head some fucking cold right, but you forced to use motherfucking head. I mean, there's mountains and mountains and mountains of this shit out here, man. I mean, it really snowed like a motherfucker, man. Woo! Oh, yeah. This is the aftermath, y'all, what happened last night. Well, actually, it snowed for like 24 hours. For those of you cats who don't know, Jack beat nimble, Jack did quick, Jack jumped up with a candle stare. It don't look too bad on this side. Oh yeah, thanks for tuning in and watching yo KDI videos. But the nature did its job, boy. Coated the whole damn world. Those of you who don't know, you're New York City, baby. If you don't know, now you know. New York City, baby. We got mounds and mounds and mounds of this shit. Daddy, I've been feeling y'all, might be inside. If you look at it too fucking much, it will fuck up your brain. Daddy, I've been feeling your video. Might could be insane. Everybody up about doing the shoveling and shit.